In an age of rapid digital transformation, 5G has paved the way for revolutionary advancements in mobile technology. As demands for faster and more reliable networks grow, the development of 6G and Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces, RIS, emerges as the next significant leap in wireless communication, promising unprecedented speeds and efficiency. Though 5G is still expanding globally, 6G research is already underway, anticipating future connectivity needs. With potential operation at terahertz frequencies, 6G could achieve speeds up to 1 Tbps, enabling applications like holographic telepresence, 3D mapping, and immersive augmented reality, revolutionizing our digital experiences. 6G's higher frequency bands propose ultra-high data rates, but they also present challenges. Signal propagation and range issues are anticipated, which innovations like RIS aim to address. This next-gen network aspires to deliver ultra-low latency, crucial for real-time tasks like autonomous driving and remote surgery. Supporting billions of devices simultaneously, 6G will cater to the burgeoning Internet of Things. Alongside, AI and machine learning will enhance network management, fostering adaptive, self-organizing systems. These technologies will streamline complex operations, optimizing network performance and reliability. Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces represent a groundbreaking shift in communication infrastructure. Composed of metamaterials, RIS can dynamically shape electromagnetic waves, unlike traditional methods. This technology consumes minimal energy and adapts signal paths in real time, making it a sustainable solution for connectivity. RIS operates through metamaterials, which manipulate electromagnetic waves via embedded sensors and actuators. Techniques like beam steering allow RIS to navigate signals around obstacles, overcoming the limited range and interference challenges seen in high-frequency waves, thereby enhancing connectivity. Signal amplification through RIS boosts strength without needing power-intensive infrastructure. Its energy efficiency aligns with 6G's eco-friendly goals, offering a sustainable alternative that reduces reliance on traditional communication towers and antennas, promoting greener network solutions. 6G and RIS technologies have vast potential across various sectors. In smart cities, they address coverage gaps and enhance urban connectivity. Deployed on buildings, RIS facilitates data flow, optimizes traffic systems, and bolsters public safety, contributing to efficient city management. In industrial settings like factories and warehouses, 6G paired with RIS enables real-time data exchange among robots and autonomous systems. This integration supports quicker decision-making and improved resource allocation, advancing industrial automation and operational efficiency. Healthcare stands to benefit significantly as 6G's ultra-low latency supports remote surgeries. Surgeons can perform complex procedures from afar, while RIS ensures consistent network reliability in densely populated hospital environments, transforming medical care delivery. For augmented and virtual reality applications, 6G provides necessary bandwidth and latency, while RIS maintains stable connectivity. This synergy allows for uninterrupted immersive experiences in entertainment, education, and training, overcoming physical obstacles. RIS-enabled networks also advance environmental monitoring. Integrating sensors into surfaces supports air quality and temperature tracking, aligning with climate goals by enhancing environmental efficiency and data-driven sustainability practices, crucial for our planet's future. A core objective of 6G development is sustainability, achieved through smart data management and power usage. Innovations like RIS lessen environmental impacts, offering energy-efficient signal distribution and reducing the need for additional infrastructure like cellular towers. By optimizing signal pathways, RIS diminishes the transmission power needed, contributing to greener networks. Less energy is required to maintain connectivity, particularly in crowded urban areas, supporting a more sustainable digital ecosystem that benefits both users and the environment. Furthermore, 6G and RIS aim to cut down on electronic waste. Their focus on energy efficiency extends device lifespans and lowers hardware demand, promoting a more sustainable approach to technology and reducing the ecological footprint of network hardware production. Despite their promise, 6G and RIS face challenges before global deployment. High development and implementation costs present significant barriers, requiring extensive investment in research and infrastructure to achieve the anticipated capabilities and benefits. Higher frequencies used in 6G face propagation challenges, as they are more susceptible to physical blockages. While RIS can mitigate these issues, further innovations are necessary to ensure stable and reliable connections, especially in complex environments. The introduction of pervasive connectivity technologies like 6G and RIS also raises regulatory and ethical concerns. Data privacy, cybersecurity, and comprehensive regulatory frameworks are essential to protect users and maintain equitable access to data, ensuring technology benefits all. Managing a vast network with billions of devices and terahertz frequencies, alongside RIS pathways, demands sophisticated AI and machine learning models. These pose challenges related to computational resources and security, necessitating advanced solutions and robust frameworks. The rise of 6G and RIS signifies a transformative era in connectivity, offering solutions to current challenges and supporting key applications. As these technologies advance, they promise to reshape connectivity, work, and interaction dynamics, but require significant investment and regulatory efforts. To fully realize the potential of 6G and RIS, substantial innovation and regulatory measures are essential. Addressing both technological and societal challenges will pave the way for a future where connectivity is faster, more efficient, and sustainable, transforming industries and everyday life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting or helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing and clicking the notification bell, you'll be the first to know whenever I upload new content. If you got value from this video, a thumbs up really helps me reach a wider audience and brings more people to the community. Comments are always welcome. Whether it's feedback, a question, or your take on the topic, I would love to hear from you. The comment section is a great place to share your thoughts and connect with others who are interested in the same things. And if you know someone who would enjoy or benefit from this video, please feel free to share it with them. Growing our community with curious, insightful viewers like you is what makes all of this worth it. Thanks for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.